Hello everyone, and welcome to another rocket plane video. This is the next evolution of my RC rocket gliders that I've been developing for a few months now. This version was designed around the D-sized Estes motor, and for that reason has a completely new look from my last ones. The idea was to move the rocket motor closer to the center of mass and build a stronger airframe. All of my last gliders flew on a C-sized motor, but I wanted to attempt a flight on a D motor. Before I retired my last prototype, version 2, I decided to throw in a D motor just to see what would happen. I wasn't expecting to fly well, as the D motor is much heavier and made the aircraft extremely tail heavy. This made the aircraft unstable, and it pitched up way too much after launch and snapped the wings. This led me to make an aircraft that can not only carry this heavier motor, but also survive the extreme aerodynamic forces due to the rocket motor. I hope you're enjoying this build montage, and I hope you can see how the airplane was put together in order to achieve the desired flight performance. I decided to base this aircraft off a very early X-plane, the X3 Stiletto, because I thought it looked really cool. And because of that high tail, I was thinking that the airplane could carry the motor in a centralized position and not burn the tail off. That might have been a little bit of foreshadowing, but let's go ahead and see the first flight. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
It works.
Oh my goodness. Now, almost immediately, I realized that the airplane was actually trimmed way too far down, which means that the aircraft did not gain a lot of altitude and this flight was very short. Out of all my flights, this was definitely my worst one. Not only that, but the camera I was using didn't even capture it because it went out of frame, which was a bummer. Also, the airplane was very damaged. I don't know why I thought I could get away with not fireproofing the tail, but obviously that was not going to work. So I had to come home and do some repairs. Not only that, but I upgraded the launcher's metal wire so that it doesn't sag as much. With all these repairs done, I went out for another series of test flights. One. Well, as you can see, as I am building these experimental aircraft, they are only improving and becoming more powerful. The goal is to eventually have a carrier plane drop the rocket plane mid-air, just like what they did with aircraft like the X-1. One cool thing that I noticed, which is just a coincidence, is that my 3 versions of my rocket plane match the development of the X-planes. The X1 and version 1, X2 and version 2, the X3 and version 3. Just something that's kind of funny. Also, my version 3 also kind of looks like the X5. Well, everybody, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And please tell me what you want to see next, whether it's a rocket plane or anything else. Just let me know, and I'll see if I can do it. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and I will see you in the next video.